Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming mobile data is active and your plan allows tethering, because Hotspot uses your carrier allowance. Once confirmed, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to simplify connecting other devices. Now, open Settings and go to Network and Internet or Connections. This is where tethering lives. Tap Hotspot and Tethering or Mobile Hotspot to begin. You do this first so you avoid surprises later, and so the phone can present the hotspot options you'll configure next. Once in Hotspot settings, tap to rename the SSID and set a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password so only authorized devices join. You want security and ease of identification. Next, pick the AP band. Choose 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for higher throughput when devices are close. Also set a device limit and idle timeout to manage battery and data use. These choices control who connects and how the hotspot impacts your speed and battery life. You now toggle the hotspot on and watch for the SSID on the client device. This confirms broadcast is working. Connect the device, enter the password you set, and verify web access to ensure name resolution and carrier routing are functioning. If the client cannot access the internet despite pairing, try toggling airplane mode or rebooting the phone to reset radio stacks. If problems persist, check carrier tethering blocks or data cap usage, because those are common causes when everything else looks correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.